Hey guys, here today to take a look at the Storm Night Road latest release from Storm Pearl REX cover, which is the same as the Dark Code and the Infinite. I'm throwing 14 pounds, so the differential is going to be a lot lower on mine than the rest of them. It's going to be like 0.037, but the RG is going to be high, so it's going to be 2.58 on mine. And generally, the higher the RG, basically it's really clean. So I'm hoping that doesn't store too much energy and flip on the back, but everybody else is saying that it goes straight. So I'm hoping mine goes straight so I can kind of control the pocket with it. With a lower differential, that also promotes it going, longer and basically not hooking as much because it doesn't have as big of a flare. So I'm hoping that works to my benefit as well. So I'm gonna throw some shots and I'm gonna see what I think, and I'll be right back. Okay, threw some shots, looked at the video. Obviously, this was earlier today. Yeah, the ball hooks. I guess it's just me and maybe the house that I bowl in. But the ball was literally 45, 50 feet, and then it got kicked left. So again, that may be a product of, what I'm bowling on, which, I'm bowling on a typical house shot. So honestly, a lot of balls look the same, but it definitely had the length. It just had so much more right to left than I really expected. I thought it would be a little bit smoother because of that REX cover, but it just hooks. So yeah, comes out September 23rd. Get yourself one. Order it through the pro shop that your local PSO, or contact us at Striking Results Pro Shop, and we'll be happy to get you one. 10 days from now. So I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm having fun putting them together. Always having fun getting new balls and just throwing them. So again, hope you guys like it. And if you have any questions or anything, let me in the comments below. Until next time, keep on hooking it.